Yo, on this channel I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 39 of Mandarin Chinese. Today we are learning about space vocabulary. Gravity is called 重力. 重力. Orbit is called 轨道. 轨道. A planet is called 行星. 行星. A universe is called 宇宙. 宇宙. Now, let's review the words again. 重力, 轨道, 行星, 宇宙. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.